Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today I pulled out my banner die. So I did not use the entire thing. The only thing I used was the heart. This heart was the only thing I used out of this banner. I didn't have a heart that I could find. I think I have some nesting dies, but my room is still a mess from moving in here from my bedroom over here, and oh my gosh. But anyway, so I used this heart to create a quick project. Kind of quick. Didn't take too long, but it was kind of quick. So I used that die right there to create a couple of, you can use them as tags. Let's see. Let's see if you can use them as tags, as ornaments, as an embellishment. You can use this however you'd like. So I made a pink one, and I just took out all my little doodads that I have, and I started gluing everything down. So I cut the heart 4 times to make it, really thick and sturdy. And then I glued all 4 layers together, and I inked the edges, and then I sprayed it with some Perfect Pearls Mist, pink gumball. And guys, I've had this like for a really long time. So here is my little tag embellishment, whatever you want to use it for. So I sprayed it with the Perfect Pearls, and so it's got a shimmer to it, and you probably cannot see it, but it's got a shimmer to it. I sprayed the back really lightly just so it wouldn't be totally white, but you can still write on it if you use it as a tag. So what I did was glue on just all these little embellishments here, because I'm getting I have a lot of them. So, this year I'm trying to use my stash. So I just started gluing them down. I used the little sparkly gems right here around the heart after I colored it pink and sprayed it. I have this heart that I had gotten from Sherry Jones in a swap, and it was still in my stash. So I said, well, let me start using these things. And I have beads, flat back pearls in there. I have this beautiful resin flower. Again, a whole bunch of stuff. There's a button in here under this pom-pom, and then this pink heart, or I'm sorry, this pink bow. And I just filled it up with all kinds of little gadgets or embellishments inside the heart. I felt like that was a lot of white space, so I filled it up with some pop of color, and then I put some colored glass glitter that I had gotten from Renee Bouquet a couple of years ago, actually, and I still have quite a bit of it. So this was the first one, and like I said, it can be an ornament, it can be a tag, an embellishment. So that was the pink one. But I also made a red one, and here is the red one. And someone had sent me again this cherub. I think I said that right. And then, so for this one, I went with the red around the edges, and I didn't have any red mist, so what I used was the Spectrum Noir Sparkle, and this came in a little jar, but you have to use a brush or something, so I put it into a spray bottle. So that's what I sprayed it with. And then again, I just started gluing all these little, this one's kind of white on the screen. Let me see if I can cover some of the lighting. So it's got a white bow. I got that one from Sherry as well. And I've got some flat back pearls right there in the shape of a heart, a couple of flowers from my stash. And now I only had one red flower, so I went ahead and put a couple of like fuchsia ones in there. And then this one, it's something that you guys gave me I don't remember who gave it to me, but thank you. And then I put a red glitter ball here, and yeah, that's what I did with this one. So again, with the pom-pom, I just love the pom-poms. But anyway, so on the back, I sprayed the back as well, and you probably cannot see that shimmer because I can't see it from here, but there's a shimmer on there from the Spectrum Noir, and it comes out really, really good layering it 4 times. I thought 3 was okay, but I went ahead and did 4 just for the sturdiness. I want it to be nice and sturdy, and I want them to be able to use it on whatever project they want. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. I might make some more, I don't know. But anyway, I thought I would come on here really quickly and show you what we can do with our little doodads. And we can use our, certain parts of our dies, die sets. We don't have to use the entire thing, which is what I did here. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. I hope this gives you an idea of what you can do with all your little tiny doodads. Okay, thanks a lot. And if you don't mind, give me the thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. I really do. And you all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.